Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're signed in and have the photo ready. Now go straight to your account or profile settings. Locate the avatar, photo, or display picture control. It's often labeled Profile or My Account. Click Change or Upload, then choose the prepared JPG or PNG. You do this because webmail services enforce size and format limits. Picking a compliant file prevents errors. Once you select the file, the interface usually shows a crop box. Leave that for the next step. Now focus on getting the picture to display correctly. Use the on-screen crop and zoom controls to center your face or logo. Square crops work for most services. Make small edits, rotate, straighten, or tweak exposure so the image reads well at thumbnail size. Once satisfied, press Save, Confirm, or Upload. You'll often see a progress indicator. Do not leave the page until it completes. Make sure to refresh your inbox or profile to verify the new image has propagated. Finish by checking the picture in the Email Composer and Recipient view. If the old image still appears, clear your browser cache, sign out and back in, or reload the app. Some systems take time to propagate changes across servers. If the wrong account shows the picture, switch profiles and update the correct account. One key troubleshooting tip: if upload fails, reduce file size or convert to PNG. Then retry. Large files or unsupported formats are the most common.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.